Hi everyone, welcome back. Through this video, we are going to learn about few important questions from the period of Chaucer to Shakespeare. So I think it will be helpful for those who are learning for KTET, NET, CTET, SET and HSA English. Today I have prepared as a mock test pattern. You can attend like that also. 15 MCQ questions I have prepared. So before going for the video, those who didn't subscribe my channel, please like and subscribe and turn on your bell button. So let's start the video. First one, the prologue and contemporary tales. Chaucer employed options octave rhyme, rhyme royal, heroic couplet, both A and B, A and C. The answer is heroic couplet. The Norman conquest of England in the Battle of Hastings is an important landmark in the history of English literature. It occurred in the year options 1066, 1076, 1065, 1075. The answer is 1065. Beowulf, the only important piece of literature surviving since the Old English period, is an options lyrical ballad, prose narrative, Anglo-Saxon epic, classical epic. Answer is Anglo-Saxon epic. Chaucer has been hailed as a dash. Options: the morning star of Reformation, the morning star of Renaissance, the morning star of Neoclassicism, the morning star of medievalism. The answer is the morning star of Renaissance. John Wycliffe is called options: the morning star of Reformation, the morning star of Renaissance, the morning star of Romanticism, the morning star of medievalism. Answer: the morning star of Reformation. Next one, Caxton set up printing press at Westminster. Options: 1474, 1476, 1475, 1478. The answer is 1476. Next one, name the immensely popular form of poetry of 15th century. Options: allegory, epic, ballad, lyric. The answer is ballad. Identify the most gifted writer of the interlude. Medwell, John Haywood, Radsall, Kidd. The answer is John Haywood. The mystery plays dealt with biblical themes, medieval themes, moral themes, philosophical themes. Answer: biblical themes. The contemporary tales, the fictional inn where the pilgrims meet is dash, Canterbury, Tubbard, Wesel Hall, Princeton. Answer: Tubbard. Who is regarded as the first translator of Bible into English? Options: Thomas More, John Wycliffe, William Tyndale, William Langland. The answer is Thomas Wycliffe. Very important question. Who is introduced sonnet for the first time in English poetry? Who introduced sonnet for the first time in English poetry? Option: Sidney and Spenser, White and Surrey, Moore and Johnson. The answer is White and Surrey. Next one. Which of the following is described as prologue to the Renaissance? Options: Poetics, the laws of the ecclesiastical poetry, Fairy Queen, Utopia. The answer is Utopia. Next one, Arnold wrote, with him is born our real poetry. Who does him refers to? Options: Spenser, Langland, Philip Sidney, Chaucer. Answer is Chaucer. In which month did the pilgrims march towards the Canterbury? Options April, March, June, May. The answer is April. Chaucer's Canterbury Tales is a story of very important question. 19 pilgrims, 24 pilgrims, 29 pilgrims, 34 pilgrims. The answer is 29 pilgrims. Shakespeare addressed the second group of his sonnets, the dark lady who may be dash. Mary Fitton, Queen Elizabeth, Anne Hathaway. Answer is Mary Fitton. Who sang the song Tell Me Where is Fancy Bread in Shakespeare, The Merchant of Venice? Options Shylock, Portia, Bassanio, Antonio. The answer is Bassanio. Chaucer used octave rhyme, the 8-syllabic line, rhyming in couplets in dash. Options Prolong, The Canterbury Tales, The Book of Duchesses, Torillus, and Criseyde. Answer is The Book of the Duchess. Amoretti is a collection of 84 dash. Option sonnets and lyrics, ode, sonnets, elegies. Answer is sonnets. As a writer of sonnets, Sir William Sidney was influenced by Montaigne, Aristotle, Petrarch. The answer is Petrarch. The poem by Chaucer, known to be the first attempt in English to use the heroic couplet, is The Complaint Up to Pity, The Romance of the Rose, The Legend of Good Woman, Troilus, and Criseyde. Answer is The Legend of the Good Woman. The Book of the Duchess by Chaucer is a lengthy allegory on the death of his patron's wife, short lyrical story of Duchess of Wales, long narrative story of the adulterous duchesses, tribute to his beloved and her beauty. The answer is lengthy allegory on the death of his patron's wife, which was the first play in Scenesian form. The Old Wise Tales, Dr. Faustus, Gorboduus. The answer is Gorboduus. The good angel and the evil angel appears in the Spanish tragedy Volpone, Dr. Faustus, Tamburlaine. The answer is Dr. Faustus. Shakespeare's The Twelfth Night is also known as What You Will, What You Wish, What You Will, What You Like, What You Love. Answer is What You Will. Next one. The very idea of the Canterbury Tales is believed to have been taken from Boccaccio's. The answer is Requiem Ron. In which poem of Tennyson say, ring out the old, ring in the new? Options Mad, Ulysses, In Memoriam, the book. Answer is In Memoriam. All Fool's Day is an essay written by. Answer is Charles Lamb. Who wrote his own epitaph? Here lies the one whose name is right in water. Answer is Keats. Next one. Which poem was conceived in a dream? Ode to the West Wind, Kubla Khan, Ode to the Nightingale, Lucy Gray. The answer is Kubla Khan. Who was addicted to opium taking? Options Keats, Wordsworth, Coleridge, T.S. Eliot. Answer is Coleridge. Monkey's Paw is a poem, drama, short story, novel. Answer short story. Who said, I awoke one morning and found myself famous? Options Byron, Tennyson, Eliot, Keats. Answer is Byron. In which poem does the following lines occur? To strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. Very famous line. Morte d'Arthur, Ulysses, Maud, Ode on the West Wind. Sorry, here Ode on the West Wind. The answer is Ulysses. Elizabeth Bennet is a character in a film is there. English film is there. Options: Emma, The Mill on the Floors, Pride and Prejudice, Her Song. The answer is Pride and Prejudice. Who said about poetry emotion collected in tranquility? Wordsworth, Eliot, Arnold, Shelley. Which is the answer here? Wordsworth. The Book of Duchess is dash a ballad, an allegory, a satire, an ode. An allegory. How many pilgrims go on a pilgrimage to the tomb of Thomas A. Becket? Actually, this question I asked before also. This is a twisted one. Okay, just check. 30 including Chaucer, 30 excluding Chaucer, 29 including Chaucer, 29 excluding Chaucer. The answer is 29 including Chaucer. How many essays Francis Bacon wrote? 38. Who tell the last tale in the Canterbury Tales? The Parson, Geoffrey Chaucer, the Knight, the Nun. Answer is Parson. Thomas Middleton's The Spanish Gypsy is a dash. It's a options: lyric, romantic comedy, tragedy, mosque. Answer is tragedy. John Webster's The Duchess of Malfi is a dash. Romantic play, mosque, comedy, tragedy. Romantic play. Who wrote Bring to Me Olney with Thine Eyes? Thomas Dekker, Thomas Middleton, Ben Jonson, John Marston. The answer is Ben Jonson. Who is called the father of English classical comedy? Yes. Thomas Middleton, Ben Jonson, William Shakespeare, Thomas Heywood. The answer is Ben Jonson. Shakespeare's English historical plays are based on Marlowe's tragedy. How many writers are the numbers of university with? 6, 9, 7, 8. What is the answer? 7. 7 members are there. How many sonnets are in Sir Philip Sidney's Astrophel and Stella? 108. The answer is 108. Edmund Spenser introduced the Spenserian stanza. It contains of 9 lines, 10 lines, 7 lines, and 8 lines. What is the answer? 9 lines. Good. Spenser's The Fairy Queen is a dash. Tragic poem, moral poem, allegorical poem, half allegorical poem. What is the answer? Allegorical poem. So we came to the end of this session. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Bye. Take care.